I think for me, the big thing was watching them, and it's that the collaboration and identifying how things work and problem solving. That for me was a big thing with it, because that's one of the things we try and teach in our lessons, but sometimes that they find that difficult because they don't have a real world problem. They have we've got an activity and this has not happened, so what can you do about it? Whereas this was much more of a real, they're getting their hands on, they're doing something that they haven't been taught, you do this, this, this and this. They're not following that recipe from there. So when they suddenly put something wrong and they realise themselves that something's gone wrong, they're identifying it themselves there. They're looking at that and going, okay, now we know what's gone wrong, let's reverse a bit, gone back and then put it back right from there. So for me, it was that was a big part of what I enjoyed seeing them do up there, was that thinking for them, that's critical thinking, problem solving from there. And then from a science sort of thing, for me in the future, it would be how can we integrate that to some of our lessons. So with the crane boom thing, straight away there, I was thinking about when I'm teaching about moments and turning forces, and how we can integrate that into, right, well, if it's too long, what's going to happen? It's going to tip over, and how we could build that in with actually moving things, lifting things, and getting them thinking how the real world applications of the science link in with the technology.
So the cool thing that I saw, the light that really kind of came on, because it was three-dimensional. So it was like this AutoCAD design that we could flip and we can turn, we can look inside, and how those things kind of work together. So you could see that light come on and they could really see how to build it and how the designer intended it to look. So, you know, that was great.
Technology is rapidly moving forward. So it's good for our children to have the exposure to certain tools and certain equipment, software, hardware. I look forward to seeing you guys again. Hopefully we can continue this opportunity and all of our students can benefit from your products and your support, really.
Yeah, good evening. This was a wonderful experience to be here. I am parent of one of my children learning here. I'm very much happy that something new has been introduced to them, which is actually a Generation Y type of thing. And I'm really thankful that they are on time for this. And in times to come, I am very sure that such type of activities will be there more in the school, and children will be taking all the advantage of it. Thank you so much.